Here the question says solving 2x square plus 12x plus 3 equal to 0 by using completing square. So here 2x square plus 12x plus 3 equal to 0. So at first we can take 2 as a common factor. So we can write x square plus 12 divided by 2 6x plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 0. Or instead of this one, we can write x square plus 6x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Now we need to use algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So instead of this line, we can write x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. And this one is extra, so we need to subtract them. So minus 3 square plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Now, from first three term, we can use algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole square minus 9 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Or we can write x plus 3 whole square equal to, if we move minus 9 plus 3 by 2 on another side, we can write 9 minus 3 by 2. Or we can write 2 9s are 18 minus 3, 50. Here, x plus 3 will be plus minus square root of 15 by 2, or we can write x equal to minus 3 plus minus root over 50 by 2. Minus 3 plus minus root over 15 by root over 2. So, if we want to remove the square root on denominator, then we can multiply the numerator and denominator both by root over 2. Then what will happen? Minus 3 plus minus root 2 into root 2 represent 2. And here root over 15 multiplied by root over 2 will be root over 30. Or we can write denominator is 2. 2 3 is 6 minus 6 plus minus root over 30.